Pie Toys! Hello my little pies, and today I'm with Cutie. Okay, and today we're opening another LOL surprise Hairgoals, and we already got Shimone Queen, Babay, Glamour Queen, Witchay Babay, and Splatters. So we're gonna be on our seventh hairspray can. So if you've been following our placement hack and our weight hack, you know that we have this number batch number, and this one weighed 268 grams. And it's ball number 7 is the second layer. Yay! It's perfect this time. And we got a light pink ball.
Yay!
There you go, Cutie. Okay, here it says top of that. Yeah. Top of that. And here's a sticker. We got a bow, daisies, heart, and we got a kitty this time. So adorable. So I think we're gonna get. No, that's a kitty. So. What? Daring Diva? Daring Diva. I said it right. Ah. Yep, we're gonna get Daring Diva because here are her sweatbands. Purple, just like Spritz.
Not something.
Here is her outfit. It's exactly like her bag that her little sister gave her. And this one is her shoes.
Mommy, that's fat. Mommy.
This one is a gold chain necklace. The hair color is a pink brush.
Mommy.
And this one is her bottle, which is translucent.
Mommy.
So here's her bottle. I've noticed that a lot of the bottles are now translucent, like this one.
Ooh.
It has a heart on it. So adorable. Wow! Yeah, she's so cute, huh?
Hi.
I'll take off her jelly layer.
Cute for dollies.
Yeah.
That's gonna be so cute.
She's cute, huh?
Hi, I'm Nikki. It's a party. Look at my purple. Cookies are nice. Yes, my nice. Hey, we got the cool baby.
So here it says she is a fancy. And she's a color changer. She's from the Pop Club. So here we have Daring Diva. And now we're going to color change her.
Hi.
Hi, can you move please? I'm color changing.
Okay, color changing.
Okay, so it's white and it turns blue. So here is that the top gets has stripes and her shorts turn blue.
I want to wear that's a beautiful together one.
You like your color change, Cutie Pie?
Yeah.
Now let's go get my outfit on. BRB.
Baby.
So here is Daring Diva with her full outfit, and you can see that they don't have straps. It's just kitty ears.
My turn.
Nothing.
My turn.
And I don't know if these are supposed to be sweatbands, or floaties for her. But anyway, she is super cute. And you don't want to get her hair wet or brush it or tie it because it'll get really, really poofy, just like Yang. You know, you don't want that. Very unmanageable. Like Cutie Pie's hair. So you need to have the hairspray. And like if it was just short hair like Splatters, it'll be okay. Because you know, she doesn't really have hairspray on and her hair is very short. You like it, Cutie Pie?
Yeah,
She has a kitty.
Hi.
Look, she has a kitty. Isn't that so adorable, Bubbles?
Hi.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna say bye. She is 268 grams, and she is number 7 in the second layer. Anyways, bye bye, my little pies.
Bye.